Have you ever wondered if becoming a millionaire is actually possible for someone like you? Not just for the super geniuses or the incredibly lucky, but for regular people? Well, the answer is a resounding yes. Today, we're going to break down 8 proven paths to building a 7-figure net worth. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes. They're real strategies that have worked for thousands of people, and one of them might just be the perfect fit for you. So, let's get into it. The first, and perhaps most classic path, is starting your own business. Think about it. Every big company started as a small idea. The key is to find a problem that people have and offer a solution. This could be a tech startup creating the next big app, or a niche e-commerce store selling handmade dog collars. Look at Sara Blakely. She started Spanx with just $5,000 of her own money. She saw a need, created a product, and built it into a billion-dollar brand. The journey might take 5 to 15 years of hard work, but the potential is massive. The secret sauce? Focus on high-margin products or services and reinvest every penny you make back into growing the business. Next up, a path that's accessible to almost everyone. Investing in the stock market. You don't need to be a Wall Street wizard to make this work. The magic here is compound interest. By investing a set amount of money regularly into a diversified portfolio, like index funds or ETFs, your money starts to make money, and then that money makes even more money. It's a snowball effect. The legendary Warren Buffett built his entire fortune through disciplined, long-term investing. The keys are to start as early as possible, be patient, and avoid chasing risky, speculative stocks. For example, investing just $500 a month with an average 8% return could grow to over $1 million in about 30 years. It's a marathon, not a sprint, but it's one of the most reliable ways to build wealth. Path number 3 is a fan favorite, real estate investing. This is about acquiring assets that generate cash flow and appreciate over time. You can buy properties to rent out, creating a steady stream of passive income. Or you can flip houses by buying them, renovating them, and selling them for a profit. One of the powerful tools in real estate is leverage, using a mortgage to buy a property with only a fraction of your own money. Barbara Corcoran from Shark Tank famously turned a $1,000 loan into a real estate empire. The key is to do your homework, research markets carefully, and maybe start with a small, manageable property. Over 5 to 15 years, you could build a substantial portfolio. All right, strategy number 4 is all about you, developing high-income skills. In today's economy, specialized knowledge is gold. If you can become an expert in a high-demand field like software development, digital marketing, or high-ticket sales, you can command a serious salary or charge premium rates as a freelancer. Top software engineers can easily earn over $150,000 a year. Think of your skills as an asset. You can invest in yourself through online courses on platforms like Coursera or Skillshare and network with leaders in your industry. Once you're earning a high income, you can save and invest a significant portion of it, fast-tracking your way to $1 million in as little as 3 to 10 years. Now for a path that has exploded in the last decade. Creating content and building a personal brand. This is for the creatives, the storytellers, and the experts who want to share their passion with the world. You can start a YouTube channel, a podcast, or a blog focused on a topic you love. As you build an audience, you can monetize your content through ads, brand sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or by selling your own products and courses. Look at MrBeast. He started by making simple videos in his bedroom and turned his brand into a multi-million-dollar empire. The secret here is consistency and finding your niche. It might take 3 to 10 years of dedicated effort, but building a brand can be incredibly rewarding and profitable. Path number 6 is perfect for those who aren't ready to quit their day job just yet. Entrepreneurship through a side hustle. This is about starting small and testing the waters. You can launch a low-cost business like a dropshipping store, a consulting service in your area of expertise, or a small Etsy shop. The goal is to build something on the side, reinvest the profits, and scale it over time. Strategy 7 is the most straightforward, but it requires serious discipline. Save and invest aggressively. This path is less about what you earn and more about what you keep. The philosophy is simple. Live frugally. Save a huge chunk of your income. We're talking 20, 30, even 50%. And invest it wisely in low-cost index funds. This means consciously avoiding lifestyle inflation, where you spend more just because you earn more. Let's say you have a $100,000 salary. If you can manage to save and invest $40,000 of that each year at a 7% average return, you could hit the $1 million mark in just 15 years. This path proves that your saving habits are often more powerful than your salary. Finally, path number 8 is about leveraging a high-paying career. Certain professions, like medicine, law, or senior corporate leadership, come with salaries that can exceed $200,000 a year. If you're in or pursuing one of these fields, you have a massive advantage. The high income provides the fuel for your wealth-building engine. The key is to not fall into the trap of lavish spending. Instead, by living well below your means and wisely investing your salary, bonuses, and savings, you can reach millionaire status relatively quickly, often within 10 to 20 years. This path combines a high income with smart financial planning. So there you have it, 8 different roads to the same destination. But notice, they all share a few common principles. First, a commitment to continuous learning, whether it's about finance, your industry, or new skills. Second, smart risk management, like diversifying your investments and income streams. And third, persistence. Every path will have its challenges and setbacks. The ones who succeed are the ones who don't give up. So, what's the first step? Pick a path that genuinely excites you and aligns with your skills. If you're analytical, maybe stock investing is for you. If you're creative, try content creation. Then, set a simple budget and save your first $1,000. Start small, but start today. Open that investment account, outline that business idea, or enroll in that online course. Which of these paths resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and maybe even dive deeper into one of these strategies in a future video. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content to help you build your best financial future. See you in the next one.